For every proton and electron currently making up your body, an identical twin exists that is capable of annihilating it upon contact. These mirror particles are called antimatter, subatomic twins that possess the exact same mass as regular matter but carry the opposite electrical charge. The existence of this mirror universe has moved beyond speculative mathematics into a tangible, physical reality. Physicists manufacture these destructive particles every single day in massive, complex underground laboratory facilities. Understanding the mechanics of this lab-created substance is the only way to answer the ultimate question of why our physical universe exists at all. In 1928, physicist Paul Dirac wrote a mathematical equation that described the behavior of an electron moving at relativistic speeds. The equation yielded two possible solutions for an electron's energy, which led Dirac to theorize the existence of the positron, a particle with the exact same mass as an electron, but with a positive electrical charge. This historical image shows the actual particle tracks left behind in an early 20th century experiment. Because these specific lines curve in opposite directions, it provided the first photographic proof of those opposing electrical charges. That discovery confirmed a universal rule. Every fundamental particle of matter has a matching antimatter twin. But this perfect, mathematically enforced symmetry creates a dangerous physical law. The two mirror twins can never safely coexist in the same space. The mirror universe operates on an absolute rule. Any physical contact whatsoever between regular matter and antimatter results in immediate, cataclysmic destruction. We call this mechanical process annihilation, an event where both particles completely cease to exist, instantly converting 100% of their mass into energy. This reaction leaves absolutely no physical matter behind. The structures are entirely erased, replaced only by high-energy photons and radiation. Because of this, modern physicists must suspend these particles in the most extreme vacuums on Earth. They rely on massive electromagnetic traps to confine the particles within a magnetic field, preventing accidental contact with the container walls. That extreme volatility makes antimatter the absolute most potent mechanism for energy release in the known physical universe. To quantify the immense power of that annihilation reaction, we have to look directly at Albert Einstein's mass-energy equivalence principle. The equation E equals mc squared proves that energy equals mass multiplied by the speed of light squared. Because the speed of light is such a massive multiplier, even a microscopic amount of mass yields an astronomical energy output. We can compare the efficiency of this total mass-to-energy conversion against the nuclear fusion process that currently powers stellar objects like our Sun. Antimatter annihilation is nearly perfectly efficient, dwarfing the Sun's nuclear fusion efficiency by a factor of 50. This efficiency means that any environment containing equal parts matter and antimatter is effectively a blueprint for total self-annihilation. Scaling these microscopic mechanics up to the cosmological level, we can look back to the first fractions of a second following the Big Bang. The strict mathematical expectation is clear. The extreme heat and density of the early universe should have forged exactly equal symmetrical amounts of matter and antimatter. But if that perfect symmetry existed, the subsequent, unavoidable universal annihilation should have left a completely empty void, filled only with leftover radiation. Because we are actively observing a universe filled with galaxies and planets, a critical, life-giving flaw must exist in the universe's perfect mathematical symmetry. Physicists call this the Baryon Asymmetry Problem, the fundamental, unexplained cosmic mystery of what exactly broke the universe's perfect balance. We now know the precise microscopic ratio of this anomaly. For every 1 billion particles of antimatter created, there were exactly 1,000,000,001 particles of regular matter. In the silent aftermath of this massive, universe-spanning annihilation event, nearly everything was destroyed. Every star you can see, every planet in orbit, and every human being alive today exists entirely as the leftover debris from a microscopic mathematical rounding error in the first fractions of a second of our history.